it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Garden Variety eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. It's a super pretty palette. We're just going to create an eye look with this palette today, so let's get started. So this is a close-up of the palette so you guys can get a better look at it. It's really pretty packaging. So I'm just starting out by priming my lids using some NYX Full Coverage Concealer on a flat eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to start out using a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going into the shade Deserted. I'm just applying this all over the concealer to help set it in place. And then using the same brush, I'm going into the shade Prickly Please, which is more of a nude peachy color. I'm just going to place this on the outer corner and crease to start to build up a transition. Now I'm using a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going into the shade Stay Sharp, which is a brown shade. I'm going to place this on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm using another Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going into the shade Stuck on You, which is this matte, pretty purple color. I'm just going to place this shade on the outer corner and the crease and just deepen up the eye to make it look more purpley. I'm using the same eyeshadow color and placing this along the lower lash line. I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Root 'em Up, which is a dark brown, and I'm just placing this close to the lash line and also just dragging it on the outer corner a little bit. And now I'm just going to reapply the shade Stuck on You to the outer corner. I'm using the shade Third Eye, which is this gold shade, and I'm using my finger and just applying this to the inner half of the lid. And now I'm just going to use a flat Morphe M166 brush and go into the same gold shade and try and get a little bit closer to the crease line. And I'm using the shade Synergy, which is this pink shimmery shade, and I'm just going to apply this to the center of the lid. And then using a clean blending brush, I'm just going to dust off the excess shimmers that kind of got on the part of the eye that I want to be matte. I'm using the shade Wavelength, which is a white shimmery color, and I'm placing this on the inner corners and brow bone. So now I'm going to add some black liquid liner. So today I'm using the Tarte black liquid liner, and I'm just going to draw a straight line across my upper lash line and flick it out and drag it back in to create a wing. Now for lashes today, I'm using the Ariel wispies, so I'm just going to use some duo eyelash glue and pop these on. And then finally, to finish up the eyes, I'm using some Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara and applying this to my top and bottom lashes. For my highlighter today, I'm using the Colourpop Flexitarian Super Shock highlighter, and I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Kiss Me Sailor lip liner, and I'm just going to slightly overline my lips with this. To top that off, I'm using the Colourpop Luxe Gloss, and this is in the shade Tied Up, and I'm just going to apply that right over top. This is the finished look. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video every week. You guys can also find me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So be sure to go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!